Okay, good day. Uh, Today, this is welcome back to my channel, and I also make another video. I will make a video as much as possible. I will make a video once a day, and then I will say the time. Now it's 2:55 UTC. Let's do a bit of recap. So yesterday I put two open position, or I suggest a two open position right here and right here. So unfortunately, for the first position here, the price hits lost position. So the prediction here for it to go up, yeah, the prediction here it is actually to go up here at this position. This prediction is to go up, but then after it reaches this point, it goes back down. So it hits a loss here. But as you can see, according to my prediction as well, there is another second position that I ask, that I suggest to put it here. So turns out it's correct. It is doing a retest. When it is doing a retest right here, it goes up a retest a bit and then it goes down. So it goes back down, and then this is actually a profit from 2364 going down to this. So it hits quite a good profit. So if you have two, or if you have both of the position, you actually lost around 5826. So you lose around 80 pips, but you gain around 3 28. So you gain around 250 pips. Yeah. So you lost around 80. Yes, this is the stop loss. You lost around 80 to 90 pips, but you gain around 250 pips. So I guess in total, it is actually a win or a profit position. And then if you only have this, which is the this position, then you don't have any loss. Then you get 250 pips. Okay, that's all for the recap. Okay, after a bit of recap, so this is for today's analysis. Once again, this is just based on my analysis and what I have learned so far. Okay, so this is the candle, and then this is the price level as of now, as of 301 UTC. So this candle for me is a bit, it's not that good. It's not a very good position, but of course we can have several uh, prediction here. Yeah, okay. So first, or the possible prediction is when the price level is at this level, so it will, here it will goes up to this, to around this level, and then it will goes back down. Why? Because this purple box is the daily range. So especially around this time, usually gold just doing sideways and then doesn't have much movement, doesn't have any abrupt movement. So we can predict it will go up here and then it will goes down again within the, sorry, not the daily but the 4 hour range. Yeah, this is actually the 4 hour range. So it will just go up a bit and then it will goes here. So we can also open a short position. If you want to have an open position or a short position right now, you can. But then again, this is not suggested because it is quite risky. So you can do this, but please be careful to this with this level. Yeah, the green boxes here, because it might have some movement of the prices here. So let's see if we put it here. Oh, if we put it here, we still have a good risk reward ratio. If we put our take profit here, it still have a good risk reward ratio, 2.2. Yeah, so perhaps you can put this as your first layer of profit, so it can goes down similar to the previous low peak here, and then this will be your second layer, nearing the bottom range of the 4 hour range, or nearing to this purple box. And then your stop loss as usual, uh, a bit of margin on top of this purple box, so it will be around this 2307.5. And then the safest one is you can take your profit here around to 296.5, and then you still have a good risk reward ratio. And then this is your second layer of take profit. However, if you want to go for a buy, uh, is there any other possibilities? Yes, there is. Of course, there is. But when it is going, yeah. But for a long position or a buy position, this is a very dangerous one, because the probability is actually, or the risk is actually very high. Yeah. So you can put it something like, yeah, maybe you can put it something like this. Risk reward ratio. Okay. 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 Let's have a risk reward ratio of 2. Yeah. So if you put it here, why here? Because once the price goes up, because there is a very bearish candle here, a very high bearish candle. So most likely, if you put a Fibo retracement, so most likely it will just go up until here, 0.618, and then it will goes down. But again, if there is a candle that is breaking this green boxes, yeah, when there is a candle breaking these green boxes, and then there is a retrace, okay, when there is a breakout, and then there is another retracement, and then there is a confirmation of reversal, then we can go in again. Don't go in at this position, but go in at this position, near the swing of the retest, and then make sure that there is a confirmation candle. Yeah, this confirmation candle, we give a room for this confirmation candle, because we don't enter at this position, but we enter around this position. Why? Because we give room to the confirmation candle to go up first, up to this swing of the retest, and then after we do this, then we can have a stop loss here, then we can have our profit target here. Yeah, you still have 2.6, or the safest is here. You still have like a risk reward ratio of 1.65. But then again, this position is have a very low chance, have a very low possibility. The most possible one, it will goes down, and then another possibility is also it will goes like this. It will goes, so the price is here, so it will goes up at 60681 to retest the green, and then, or maybe like this. Yeah, this is the third possibility. The red arrow is actually the third possibility. But then, okay, the yellow one, the first one, is actually the most possible one, but the blue one is the least possible one. But of course, there is still a chance of it to go like this. And then the red one is the third possibilities. So it's up to you. What I suggest is you also have your own analysis, you also have your own strategy, and then you can have me as a backup to reconfirm your strategy. Okay, that's it. Thank you.